Hello, I wish you all a healthy day. Today, we are going to focus on intermittent fasting. Is this style of eating, which has recently become popular and frequently practiced around the world, really as healthy and effective as it is thought to be? Today, we will examine some of these items. Effects on metabolism. Research shows that intermittent fasting can boost metabolism. For example, individuals practicing the 16-8 method, fasting 16 hours a day, eating 8 hours a day, have shown a decrease in insulin levels and an increase in fat burning, which means that it is a tactic that will definitely help us in weight loss with increased fat burning. Weight management. Intermittent fasting can help with weight loss by restricting calorie intake. For example, a study using the 5-to-2 method showed a significant reduction in participants' body mass index. In addition, intermittent fasting can also have an effect on appetite hormones, balancing leptin and ghrelin levels, which can increase the feeling of satiety. Undoubtedly, a very efficient way for those who want to lose weight. Cardiovascular health. Intermittent fasting can have positive effects on heart health. Studies show that this practice lowers blood pressure, reduces LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and helps control triglycerides. For example, one study found significant improvements in markers of heart disease in individuals who practiced intermittent fasting for 8 weeks. Brain health. Some animal studies have shown that intermittent fasting can protect brain cells and reduce the risk of neurological diseases. For example, a study in mice showed that fasting increased brain-derived neurotrophic factor levels, which had positive effects on learning and memory. What everyone needs today is a bright mind. Longevity. Some animal experiments have found that intermittent fasting can prolong life. For example, when calorie restriction was practiced in some laboratory mice, improvements in overall health and lifespan were observed. More long-term studies are needed to obtain definitive results in humans, but some scientists suggest that this method may have rejuvenating effects on metabolism. Psychological effects. Mood improvements have been observed in some people practicing intermittent fasting. However, some individuals may also experience side effects such as feelings of hunger, headaches, or irritability. Beginners in particular may find it difficult at first. However, many people get used to it over time and report increased energy. Also, intermittent fasting can help some people to focus more, meaning that intermittent fasting is not only good for your body, but it can also help you psychologically. Autophagy. During intermittent fasting, when the body encounters starvation, it activates cellular stress responses. Research shows that intermittent fasting practices can help cellular repair and regeneration by activating autophagy processes. This may be beneficial for anti-aging effects and overall health. In conclusion, if we need to make a general statement, intermittent fasting is definitely an action that should be tried for individuals with an average healthy human body. If you have had the opportunity to experience intermittent fasting, it would be great if you could share it with us. At the same time, if you want to know more about this topic, be sure to look at the description of the video because I will share a few articles there.